These are the best bags, 13 liters and under, that you can buy right now. Starting with the Aer Slim Pack. And this is going to be a great option for all of my minimalists out there looking for a sleek, unassuming work backpack made to fit just your essentials. Coming in at just 8.5 liters, this is a perfect bag for the daily commute and one that I've personally used as my work bag for the past year or so. It's made with water-resistant coated 840D nylon on the front and a 1680D Cordura ballistic nylon on the sides and the back, making it super durable. You've got the main pocket, which features a padded and suspended laptop sleeve for up to a 15-inch computer, a spot for a tablet, smaller pockets for notebooks and cords, along with an interior zipper pocket where you can put your valuables like your wallet and keys. On the top of the bag, you're going to find a soft-lined quick access pocket for things like sunglasses. The Aer Slim Pack is going to run you $115 US. Next up is the Day Owl Slim Pro, and this is a great option for all of my environmentally conscious students out there looking for a bag that's not only stylish, but one that has the lowest carbon footprint out of any professional backpack in its class. And this 13-liter backpack is made with sustainable materials like Day Owl's First Mile waxed canvas, which comes from 25 recycled post-consumer plastic bottles, a lining made from 100% recycled polyester, algae-based foam, water-repellent neoprene, and conflict-free metal YKK zippers. There are handles on the top to carry it like a tote, a dedicated padded laptop sleeve for up to 14-inch laptops, a quick access top pocket, a large main compartment, a front slip pocket, and an insulated zipper pocket for your water bottle. The Day Owl Slim Pro will run you $135 US. Next is the Able Carry 13-day bag. And this is a great option for someone who appreciates beautifully designed goods as much as they do comfort, because this 13-liter backpack has something the others don't on this list: a sternum strap and padded shoulder straps that you'd find on a bag 3 times its size. I've spent a lot of time testing out all of these bags, and nothing compares to the comfort that you're going to find with an Able Carry. The bag comes in both Cordura and X-Pack versions and features high-end YKK zippers and Duraflex hardware. The bag features a front water bottle pocket, a quick access front zipper pocket, a hidden back panel pocket for phones or wallets, and a large main compartment with a laptop sleeve. The Able Carry 13-day bag starts at $149 US. Last on our list is the Alpaka Metro backpack, and this is a great option for someone who values high quality and environmentally conscious gear that is also going to come in at a pretty affordable price of under $100. This 12-liter bag comes in both AxoFlux and AxoGrid versions, 2 100% recycled and waterproof materials made exclusively by Alpaka. This simple backpack features a large front quick access pocket with organization for notebooks, pens, video games, cameras, a large main compartment with a fleece-lined laptop sleeve, along with pockets for water bottles and tech essentials. The Alpaka Metro backpack starts at $99 US. So let me know what you think of this list by leaving a comment below. Also, be sure to like and subscribe if you found this video useful. There's affiliate links as well as links to all of the dedicated review videos for each of these bags in the description below. And as always, I just want to say thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Here's what's on my turntable today.